Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to correctly open a Lloyds Bank account online. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to open up any browser that you have on your PC. So in this case, I'm using Google Chrome here, and in Google Chrome or in your browser, go to the URL section and just type in the following, which is going to be lloydsbank.com. Now in this case, if you're in Google, just type in Lloyds Bank and you should be able to see the first link there as lloydsbank.com. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for the type of account that we want to open up. So if you click on the menu button here, you'll be able to see different sections. So we have everyday banking, help and security, current accounts, borrowing, and a lot more. But in this case, we want to go ahead and go to current accounts here. And from here, you should be able to see different current accounts. So they have Club Lloyds account, classic account, silver account, and a lot more again. So in this case, maybe we want to open up a classic account here. So let's go ahead and choose classic account. Now in this case, you'll be redirected to the classic account section, and from here, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see information more about it. So currently, it says free everyday banking here, highly rated app, earn up to 15% cashback, and a lot more. So in this case, we have the option for classic account, not right for you. We have Club Lloyds as well. So we also have the option here to view the apply for a classic account. So currently, there are going to be requirements for you to open up a bank account. So here you need to apply for this account. You need to be at least 18 or and above, and you live in the UK. So if you're not existing Lloyds Bank customer, you may need to provide proof of identity. So if you're not existing bank customer, then you might need to prefer your IDs. So ideally, at least 2 identifications will do you good. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to have the option here to apply. So at the top here, we have the classic account section. Just click on ready to apply, and you'll be redirected here that says new customer. Go ahead and click on apply now as well. From here, it's going to load up another web page here. So what we need to do is we need to look for the application button here. So in this case, we have the ready to open a classic account. So by the way, there's going to be a different information about that specific account that you will be applying for. So currently has the everyday banking, 24/7 access to the mobile banking app, and internet banking, as well as the contactless debit card. Now in this case, let's go ahead and click on continue here under ready to open a classic account. And from here, sometimes it would give you we encountered an error. So what we need to do here is we just need to reload the site itself. So let's go back. From here, just click on continue again, and hopefully it would actually work. So first thing that you see here is it's going to give you an option to use your mobile phone to continue. Now, if you have like a scanner or a QR scanner on your phone, you could go ahead and use that, and from there your transaction or the whole process itself will be transferred to your phone, and you'll be able to answer those questions or basically fill out your application form for Lloyds Bank. Now in this case, maybe we want to go ahead and use it in this PC version. So first thing is going to say, are you an existing Lloyds Bank customer? So let's just click on no here, and do you already have a UK current account? So maybe I want to say no here, and from here it's going to give you information about this one. So again, since this is a bank account, I would suggest you to read all of the information here and details for you to basically just guarantee yourself. Now in this case, you just need to click on continue once done, and again we need to provide the following information. So we need to provide the information for our first name, middle name, last name, gender, title, your phone number, and your email address here, your date of birth, and country of birth. So for now, let's go ahead and enter those details. Now in the next page, you'll be asked to enter your household information. So that includes your address and any personal information about where you're currently located. Now, once you completed the next page, you'll be redirected to the next page again, wherein you need to provide your business name, flat number, again, location information. So let's go ahead and go to the next page wherein you'll be asked to provide your income. So it's going to ask you, are you currently employed and what's your current status, and a lot of those details. So go ahead and complete those sections, and in the next page you'll be asked to enter your contact details. So that includes your email address, your phone number, as well as the marketing choices. So if you want to receive marketing from Lloyds Bank, you could go ahead and answer yes or no. Now, in the next page, in this file page here, you'll be asked to switch to Lloyds, but if you want to continue without switching, just click on that button. And finally, in the last page, you'll receive a QR code on your screen, and from there you just need to scan it to provide identification regarding your application. So by the way, before you receive the QR code itself, you'll see a button there that says submit application or complete application. Now from there, just follow the steps, just scan the QR code, and finally, once you've done all of those, you'll be able to start creating your username as well as the password that you want to use for your account. So yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.